Hello and welcome to Module 1, Lecture 2, Exam Overview. We will explore the MO-110 exam, which focuses on Microsoft Word. You'll gain a clear understanding of the exam structure, skills measured, and how this certification fits into your professional journey. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to prepare effectively. The MO-110 certification validates your skills in Microsoft Word, one of the most widely used productivity tools worldwide. Employers value certified candidates because it demonstrates practical expertise, not just basic knowledge. With this credential, you can stand out in job application, gain confidence in your Word abilities, and even open doors to high-level certifications. It's an excellent step if you are a student, professional, or anyone aimed to improve your digital literacy. Now let's talk about the structure of the MO-110 exam. The test usually lasts about 50 minutes. During this time, you will complete a series of projects or tasks within Word. The exam doesn't rely on multiple choice questions, it measures your ability to apply knowledge in real scenarios. You may be asked to format text, create tables, manage styles, work with references, or collaborate using Word built-in features. Your performance is scored automatically based on how accurately and efficiently you complete these tasks. The exam evaluates several key skill areas. These include managing documents, insert and format text, paragraphs and sections, create and managing tables and lists, apply references like citation and captions, and insert and format objects. You also need to know collaboration tools like comments, tracking changes, and advanced features such as May merge. Together, these skills reflect real-world productivity expectations. Passing the MO-110 earned the Microsoft Office Specialist certification in Word. This is considered an associate level credential. From here, you can advance to expert level certification that go deeper into Word capabilities. You may also expand into other applications such as Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook, building a full Microsoft Office Specialist profile. Each step strengthens your resume and credibility as a digital professional. To summarize, the MO-110 exam is your chance to prove your Word skills and build a strong foundation for future growth. In the upcoming lecture, we will break down each skill measure in the exam and provide practical demonstrations so you can master them step by step. By following along and practice consistently, you will be well prepared for the exam day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.